it up?
No.
Alpha 101.
Alpha 101, fire rescue responder.
Go to this route.
I'm suing you, Annabelle.
Yeah, well, what's the reference?
Extremely intoxicated female.
Yeah, I'm extremely intoxicated.
Jennifer, you're about to go to jail, okay?
On December 14th, 2023, Broward County officers responded to a restaurant for an intoxicated employee refusing to leave.
One of the ladies, I guess she drank too much, getting a little violent with some of the other people. Some lady. It seems not to be going that bad right now, but...
Is this her? The black dress? Okay.
Black and like pearls.
Got it.
So I think maybe we can hang back and see, but...
See if they can straighten it out?
Yeah.
Okay.
But they said me to call you, so I was
No
like,
problem.
because I'm not touching that.
Yeah, of course not. That's yes, ma'am. How you doing?
We have an employee that had a little too much, and we don't want to leave her here. She's refusing to get an Uber to go home. I don't know what we do with her.
Yeah. How did she get here? Do we know?
Uber. She Ubered.
She Ubered here?
But she won't give us her home address, so we can call an Uber. She's like really sauced up.
Really saw stuff. That's a good way to put it.
She's right there in the black.
What's her name?
Gentleman.
Oh, okay, and the gentleman with her is an employee also?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys all know.
He's
Okay.
trying to talk to her, but she's gotten like abusive and
Okay.
talking about boyfriends and jobs.
Yeah. So the drinking has just stimulated a lot of negativity.
Emotions,
Yes, emotions.
And we've
Got
had
it.
a little
Okay.
bit of issues with her at work.
Understood. Okay.
We just want to make sure she gets home safe.
100%.
She didn't lay her hands on Annabelle when Annabelle told her she needed to try to leave now. She got up and pushed her, and we can't really let other employees pushing other employees.
Are you the manager?
The owner's the owner.
You're the owner.
So we
Okay, that
asked her to
also
leave
here.
multiple times.
Sure.
And ultimately, we're all ready to leave now. We paid our bill, I think.
Yeah.
So we're going to pay our bill.
Yeah, you're
we
all
can
set.
leave. It becomes your problem afterwards if you guys want to get rid. I don't know how you get rid
Well,
of
she
her.
can't stay. So she can't
so
stay. She has to leave.
Once we leave,
No, it's fine. I
is
appreciate
there
it.
issue?
100%.
We're trying to make it. Look, she's an attorney. I don't know what's going on in her personal life, but she's obviously things aren't right. I don't privy to it. I don't want to know.
Yeah.
I just want to help encourage her.
Right. You guys all came out for the good.
We'll pay for an Uber. Just need to get an Uber.
Yes, ma'am. No. You guys are all. Everybody's intentions here in the right place.
We're not
So
looking to cause trouble.
of course not.
Sometimes someone just needs a nudge, and you got the uniform and the vest.
Give me one second. We can talk.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, absolutely. Give me one second.
But there is your changes.
Good. How are you?
Oh, this is my big, beautiful.
How you doing?
How are you?
Are you the Jennifer that I'm here to talk to?
Oh my God, I'm very generous.
And Lee, nice to meet you. Pleasure to meet you. We're here just talking to make sure you're okay. But two things have come to light. The business is closing, and I just want to make sure that you're going to be okay getting home. And I want to make sure that also.
We all of them.
What are you?
Make that clear.
I'm sorry, dear.
We are okay.
Yeah. You're doing okay right now. But the business is closing, and the your co-workers and friends are concerned about how you're getting home and things like that. So.
Well, I can't concern myself with that, except to say that our expectation is that we're going to be very well protected by the law.
Well, yes, you can concern yourself with your own personal responsibility of leaving when the restaurant is closed. Yes, you can. So we'll start with that. Are you, sir, planning on maybe helping her?
I'm ready to go. Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
I'm going to call an Uber. Why don't you grab your stuff?
You're okay? Right.
We're both getting a separate.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. Great.
The initial contact was a consensual encounter, not a seizure, consistent with Florida versus Bostick 1991.
This is the whole Christmas party. She's had a little bit too much tonight. She's been a little stubborn, getting a little pushy. So I just went in. Yes. We'll make sure they get into it.
Well, he's placating her. He's not getting to say Uber. He's just trying to keep her.
I like it.
Yeah.
Very nice
He's
job.
on my payroll.
Yeah. No. I get that. Yeah, I completely understand that. So that's good. That
his wife would kill him.
oh. Yeah, I didn't check that out. And
this.
well, we are, but this is
Yeah,
what
but
it
in a
is.
good way. Like,
Yeah. I've asked for his assistance, and he's helping me, so we'll put it that way.
I appreciate it.
Well, yeah, of course.
What are you guys doing here tonight?
We are just making sure everybody gets home safe.
Yep.
Whoa. You okay, Jen?
I think we need an ambulance.
Okay, we'll get it going.
Just gotta hold on to her though.
I think our shoe.
Yeah, it is. It's very windy tonight. It's alright. We'll be alright.
Jennifer, we're gonna have a seat, all right, dear?
Good call.
There you are. Over to your left. There you go. Right there. Okay. All right. I've only ridden Uber a few times, but I knew. Hold on. No. Have a seat. Jennifer, have a seat. You almost fell down. We had to catch you. And you were falling. Hey, listen, Jennifer, it's 2 seconds. We've not been very nice to you. We're just trying to make sure you get home safely. We literally all three had to catch you so you didn't fall on the ground. That's why we have a chair. We're not here against you. We're just make sure you get home, all right? Could you do us all a favor and just have a seat?
No.
You're not in trouble.
No.
Prime example.
No.
Black Silver Lane.
I just go to the bathroom. I just need to.
No, you can go inside and use the restroom.
1 second.
Yeah,
come on.
Take it off. There you go. That'll be perfect. Here, you want to help? Right there. That door. Right there. Go ahead. Push.
I'll push.
I'm like taking off my insurance.
No, not right now. Not
I
right now.
give a shit what you think.
Jennifer, we need to go.
Okay, fine.
Jennifer, we need to go.
101 unit 10-4.
Jennifer, come on. We need to go in the car.
Fine, I don't give a shit what you think.
We can take it off in the car.
All right.
Car's here.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Are we like coming in like the government or something?
Guess what? Let's go.
Jennifer, your Uber's right here at the front door, okay?
Let's go. As soon as I'm ready.
Let's go.
You know?
Jennifer.
Oh, you. Is that what's really happening now? You're not giving me the opportunity to like take off my shoes? Oh, really? Is that what's happening? I don't think that's
You
what.
want to go home?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. The car's here. Let's go. Jennifer, the car's outside. It's right here. You can take your shoes off in the car. Just walk to the front door, okay? You don't want to go home?
Nobody
Let me
else
know.
in there, Jennifer.
Do you want to go home or not? If you don't want to go home, we can arrange other things, but I'm trying to get you home.
I'd really like for you just to get home. Okay.
Jennifer, please just walk to the front
Excuse
door.
me, Annabelle. You like allowed this to happen.
Ma'am, you're an adult.
Let's go.
My car's outside.
Yes, let's go.
Your car just taking you over. Come on.
Come on, Jennifer.
We're not winning. This isn't a battle. We're not here against you.
Jennifer, let's go.
I'll take him over here.
He's gonna leave in like 2 minutes. Your car's gonna leave if you don't go.
Not going.
Arrest her.
No, we're trying.
Annabelle, do you want to know what the all?
Jennifer.
I'm trying to close up. I gotta get
No, I'm
my
not
here.
going.
All right, it's time to go.
If you can,
No.
if you
Time to go.
please.
No.
I got my staff.
Okay, here we go. Need fire rescue?
Jennifer, get up.
No.
Alpha 101.
Alpha 101 unit fire rescue responder.
Go this route.
I'm suing you, Annabelle.
10-4, what's the reference?
Extremely intoxicated female.
Yeah, I'm extremely intoxicated.
Jennifer, you're about to go to jail, okay? So you got 2 seconds to get up. You understand me? You're about to go to jail. You want to go to jail?
I'm gonna have fire rescue.
Yes, no?
Go from there.
I'll call my lawyer when I fill this.
Jennifer.
You realize this is all being recorded?
Okay. Excuse me.
Yes. What's that? What's up, Jen? Miss Cusack, correct?
Nothing, like she's describing happened. I'm just trying to get through my work day. Like nothing happened.
No, the workday has been over for hours. We've been here drinking, all of the employees, and they called us because they needed your assistance because you were so out of control. So here we are, man, trying to help you for the last 30 minutes, doing everything we can, calling you Ubers, getting you up, getting you chairs, taking you to the bathroom, and we had to actually stop you from going pee outside. We want this to go a much different route. But since you fell on the ground, we want fire rescue to come check you out and make sure you're okay.
If you want to go home, you got to get up now before he leaves.
Okay, just let him leave.
What's your plan for the evening, Jennifer? What's your plan?
We're not about to babysit you.
This is like my entire life. This is like really sad.
Now relax.
Whoa.
That's it.
You ready to? You want to do it? You want to get me a sprain? Okay, fine.
That was
When the subject verbally self-identified as extremely intoxicated and refused repeated lawful requests to vacate, she crossed into criminal trespass territory. Under Florida statute, section 810.09, remaining on a structure after the owner has issued a warning to leave constitutes criminal trespass, a first-degree misdemeanor. A prior physical push against a coworker reported directly to officers established probable cause for simple battery under Florida statute, section 784.03, independent of the trespass. When the subject made physical contact with the arresting officer, the charge escalated to a third-degree felony under Florida statute, section 784.07, battery on a law enforcement officer. That statute requires only intentional, unconsented touching. No injury to the officer is required. Maximum penalty, 5 years imprisonment. Under Graham versus Connor, 1,989. Force is evaluated by objective reasonableness from the officer's perspective at the moment of the decision, not with hindsight. Officers applied soft to hard empty hand control only. No less lethal weapons deployed. Force was proportionate to active resistance fully within the Graham standard. The call for fire rescue after the subject fell reflects the 14th Amendment's due process obligation. Officers must provide reasonable medical care to persons in their custody. No Miranda advisement is audible in the transcript. Under Miranda versus Arizona, 1,966, any custodial statements made post-arrest may be subject to suppression. 3 independent probable cause bases existed at arrest: trespass, battery on a civilian, and battery on an officer. The arrest itself is legally unassailable.
How you going to do?
Stand up. Can you grab that fist? Thank you. Thank you. That doesn't work.
Is Amber working?
Yeah. Stay facing the car.
Fucking stupid moron.
Have a seat. Sit your butt down first and put a seat. There you go. She's crazy. Do not get out. Hey, whoa, 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 whoa.
Stop it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Stop it.
Slip your cup.
Stop it. Stop
Put your
it.
hand behind your back. I got this.
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. I don't have any arms. I'm not armed. Stop it. I'm not armed. Stop it. I'm not armed. I'm not armed. Stop it.
One handcuff on, you are armed, okay? You are armed with one handcuff. Relax.
Please let me go. Please.
No, you had the option an hour ago. You assaulted an officer. You're going to jail.
I did not assault an officer.
I'm not asking you. We're telling
Stop
you.
it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Let her go on the side, yeah.
Give me a flashlight, too.
Please, thank you.
Please let me go. Oh, God.
Jennifer, how much did you have to drink tonight? Do you remember?
Not that much.
We're sorry we had to talk to you about this evening. We're grateful for your phone call. We wanted to let you know we have your daughter. She's not going to be coming home to your place tonight. She's going to the hospital first. She's in our custody, and then going to the Broward County Jail. So at that, right now I have to help my partner out with some paperwork. So I just want to let you know what was going on. Okay, dear? No, she's a grown adult. She's going to handle her business when she sobers up. Alrighty? I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry. You're okay. She's okay, though. You know, it's just bad decisions. Yes, ma'am. Bye-bye. Poor lady. She's 86 years old. She doesn't know shit. Unbelievable.
The responding officer receives a B+. 30 minutes of documented de-escalation, proportionate force, and immediate medical response reflect professional competence. The unconfirmed Miranda advisement is the sole procedural gap. It does not invalidate the arrest, but it creates a suppression risk for post-arrest statements. The subject receives a D. She committed battery on a civilian, refused lawful orders establishing trespass, and committed a third-degree felony by making contact with an officer. The subject's self-identification as an attorney is legally significant. Courts hold attorneys to heightened awareness of their rights and the consequences of their conduct. Restaurant staff receives an A-. They reported accurately, cooperated fully, and called law enforcement appropriately, though the delay until after battery had occurred is noted. Key lessons. First, intoxication does not suspend criminal liability. Disorderly conduct under Florida Statute Section 877.03 requires an overt act here. Multiple acts were present. Second, voluntary departure is always the better outcome. Once the subject refused transport, trespass became the controlling charge made worse by every subsequent refusal. Third, physical contact with an officer during arrest, regardless of intent, constitutes a separate felony under Florida law. Resistance never improves a legal position. It compounds it. Fourth, Miranda must be administered at the point of custodial arrest, not after processing, not when convenient. Procedural gaps create appellate vulnerabilities. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.